The tune that we're going to be doing today is called Flowers of Edinburgh, and my thought for today was that we would just sort of focus in on the melody because this is a pretty melody heavy tune. There's a lot going on in terms of notes and rhythms and things like that, so that's the plan for today, but I'll go ahead and play it for you so you can hear how it sounds. And it goes like this. Jump in actually and go phrase by phrase, I just want to go ahead and have us play a G major scale. We're in the key of G for this one, so let's go ahead and do that together. So starting on open G, we'll just do one octave with half notes. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, and so here's our first phrase. You want to go ahead and give that a try? Okay. Great! Let's go ahead and take it back to the very beginning of the A part, and let's go ahead and just play the whole thing together. I'll just loop it a few times so that you can play it along with me, and we'll probably increase the speed as we go with each repeated time. So we'll start slow, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and end by just playing the whole tune together a few times. Does that sound good? Just sort of looping it? Awesome. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll just take it from the beginning, and just like we did with the individual sections, we'll sort of increase the speeds little by little as we go through the whole tune. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.